Hi, and welcome to another Live with Leah. I am here on site at Morrison on the Park by Creo Developments, and so much has changed since we were here last. I can't wait to show you around. So the first thing you'll probably notice is that this is the first time we've actually been able to come into the courtyard here on site. So another change since last time, the stonework has officially been laid, and then just above me you can see both dark and light cedar siding. Another great feature of being inside the courtyard is you just get a really good sense of the amount of space that there really is in here, and it's quite wide. We are so lucky today to be able to get up onto one of our rooftops, and right behind me you can see just the stellar view that you get of the city of Vancouver and the ocean, and a little bit of our crane work in the background. Thank you so much for joining me on another Live with Leah. As a reminder, my name is Leah with Pilot House Project Marketing, and we're here at Morrison on the Park, and I can't wait to keep you updated as we get closer to completion.